Hello and welcome to ARPhysics tutorial level. My name is Kate and I will be helping you with the levels to come. This level is to get you familiarized with the interface. First, hold the phone such that the device can map the surface around you. Then go ahead and select the buttons on the top right. Then press on the detected plane to make them appear at your desired location. Welcome to simulate your very own solar system. First, locate the Sun, then adjust the functions to have a unique experience. Keep in mind that the mass of the Sun can only be adjusted if the collider is checked and the stationary Sun checkbox is unchecked. Earth, only planet in the solar system not named after a Greek or Roman god. Earth, only planet in the solar system not named after a Greek or Roman god. Saturn, it is the second largest planet and is well known for its ring system. Welcome to the Newtonian level. It is a quiet Sunday morning in the year 1666. Sir Isaac Newton is sitting on the bench and is pondering over some unanswered questions about the forces of nature. I think he needs some help in completing this operation. Help him find gravity by making the apples fall on him. You can click on the white cube to move, scale and rotate the scene. Also explore the objects on the top right corner of the scene. You can press the back button on the bottom left to return to the main menu.
That's with me. I think I shall call this phenomenon of objects falling towards the Earth as gravity. Thanks for helping me get there.